Good morning. Happy Vlogmas. Today is December 10th. So I'm pulling the box and it's Spooky Spice. Do we have that one already? I don't remember this one. Let's see what's in the ingredients are. Let's see. Green tea, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, nutmeg, pepper, pineapple flavor, orange flavor, and cardamom. Brew 2 to 3 minutes. Did we have this one? Maybe it kind of sounds like the ghostly green that Erica liked yesterday. So anyway, let's give it a whirl. Spooky Spice. Okay, here we go. Box 10 of the puzzle. Oops, 4 is gonna, staying up. Okay. Ooh, this is gonna be tricky. It's a lot of Christmas tree, it looks like. The rest of that tree. Okay. Okay, time to taste the tea. It didn't say star anise, but it smells like licorice. It definitely needs some sugar. Definitely needs some sugar. I did add some, so let me stir it up here. There we go. That's better. You can taste the cinnamon. I'm sure that's cardamom too. I don't taste the ginger too much, which I thought I would. Okay, I like it. It's a little bit, to me, it's more cinnamony. And with sugar, sorry, you need a little sugar. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the lamp. See if that helps me out. Oops. Is there another shop sign? No. What does that say? Oh, pizza? No, coffee. Coffee. It's up here. Actually, looks like, here we go. Is anyone looking for socks this year? Let me know in the comments below. Are the Christmas socks looking a little different? So funny. Charcuterie socks. Sorry. I like the festive socks. I like the socks. That's where I'm looking for these. They have a lot of cute ones though. These are cute. So cute. And then they have shorter ones too, but those are kitty size. Toddler size it says. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Vlogmas.